What's up, everyone? I'm Suchit Mudgal, and I'm here to share my market insights and the stocks which I'm watching for the next week. I've been posting some of the stories related to stocks and the sector which I'm watching, and people are getting, people are misleading that information, and they are getting really confused in that. So I thought let me share let me share that information through video, and this is what I'll be doing. I'll be rolling out my market view or my market insights and the stocks which I'm watching out on every weekend, so that you get the market insights and the stocks which I'm watching. Okay, so with that note, let's start with this week's market analysis. So yeah, so first thing, Nifty looks very good for me. Nifty is in a very good structure, very good bullish structure. Although there's been pullback in the last week, last 2 weeks, but this is okay. This is completely normal. When actually indices are trading at all-time highs, you need to give that much of room for the index to actually fluctuate. So this is that room, and if you see this is the all-time high which Nifty has been trading. And yeah, so this pullback is completely normal. There's no problem in this pullback. And there is this base which is being created near the EMAs. So the Nifty has took the support of 50 EMAs, and what I'm expecting, my expectation from the market is it might create a base here, and then it might head high and hit the all-time highs again. So this is what I'm expecting from the markets, because I don't see any negative news or negative catalyst, nothing from the markets as negative of now. But yeah, this is what I am seeing in Nifty. But the problem is, Nifty is super good, but if you look at small cap is a problematic, and I'll show you. I'll compare it with the Nifty. So if you compare Nifty from the all-time highs, it is down by almost 1.7%. Yeah, 1.7%. So if I just compare it with the small cap is down by almost, let me see, 11.8%, close to 12%. So that's a 10% difference in underperformance compared to Nifty. So institutions are actually, uh, you know, taking out their chunks or taking out their money from the small cap sectors, and that due to dollar strengthening against the rupee. So after, even if they make some really good returns, due to rupee weakening, they might not get that huge returns as they make. So that might be the reason why institutions are actually moving out of small cap and mid cap index. But yeah, the main problematic is small cap. If you look at the mid caps are looking fine for me. Mid caps are looking solid, no problem in mid caps, but small caps are something problematic. Okay, so small caps are actually underperforming, and since the stocks which I trade are mostly from the small and mid cap, so there's it's been tough trading small and mid cap stocks from the last 1 month or so. So yeah, but overall the markets are really good. There's no problem in the markets. Okay, and let me just roll out for the sectors. Okay, so for the sectors which I am looking out, is first thing is auto sector. Auto sector is showing some really good performance. If I just analyze the Nifty auto index, after autos are looking really good. Auto is my one sector. Healthcare and pharma, both they go relatively same. So pharma is also another sector. If you say this, it is also creating a very good wide base, and this is performing really good, and pharma stocks are also setting up really good, which I'll share in the next part. But yeah, pharma sector is also good to go. Next up is infra, which is infrastructure, Nifty infrastructure index, and infrastructure is also playing out really good now. You can see some really good constructive price action, and at the end here you can see a small base which is getting created. So I'm actually bullish on these sectors which I'm sharing now. So pharma, infra, autos, and IT. IT is also IT is being the top performer from the, if you consider last 1 month's top performer, IT is being that sector. So definitely there's some price action or action going on in IT sector. So I'm completely bullish on this. Okay, so let's get into stocks which I'm watching out. And also, this is not any advisory video, and I'm not suggesting you to invest in any of these stocks. These are just my views or my views on the stocks which are looking good. Please do your own research analysis and then invest in these stocks if you want to invest in them. Okay. This is Tangamail Jewelers. So the first stock in my watch list is Tangamail Jewelry, and jewelry sector is been performing good. And if you consider the gold rates, the dream run in gold and silver, if you consider them, they are outperforming the equity markets, okay, by a huge pace. And you can see that reflection in the stocks also. You can see some really good price momentum with huge volume spike, and after that the stock has now just swiftly moved towards the right side, and now it's creating a base, which is this base here. So I'm actually quite bullish on this, and there is some work needs to be done here. So we'll see we'll see how it performs. So Thangamir Jewelers. Next up is Sandur Manganese and Iron Ores. So this is a metal stock, and metals are outperformed the market from the past 1 week. If you compare to any other sectors, metals and IT are the two sectors which have outperformed the markets. So this is actually a really good structure, but again it needs some little work. So as of now, there's no entry, but it needs a little work, and this is also good to go. So good structure, good stock, everything's good. Yatra Online, even this looks very good for me. Very good price action, a huge spike, and now this is setting up. This is setting up really good. Again, a base needs to be created here, and you know this also looks good. So Yatra is my another stock. Hindustan Petroleum. This is an oil refinery stock, and let me remind you, oil refineries are looking really good. If you open the chart of Reliance Industries, IOC, BPCL, Bharat Petroleum, and this is Hindustan Petroleum. So these all are showing some really good structures. I'll just open Reliance for you so that you get that idea. So if you look at Reliance stock structure, this is trading at all-time highs, and this is looking really good for me. So there's some promising price action in all the oil refinery stocks, and Hindustan Petroleum is one of them. So even this is looking good and good to go. Next up is L&T. So I've told you, as I mentioned, I'm bullish on infrastructure index of Nifty. So L&T is dominance in that. L&T actually dominates that structure, sorry, that sector. So by looking at the structure, this is a very good constructive base which L&T is creating here, already in stage 2 uptrend, and needs a final base here. So once we get that final basing, it's good to go. L&T. RR cables. RR cable. This has been a very underperformer here, but it has picked up. It has picked up from there, and it has shown some promising base here with very good volumes on the upside. If you look at this, volumes are picking up as well. So a nice structure, promising one. So watch this out. Next up is Dr. Reddy's. Dr. Reddy's is being a really good structure both in daily and weekly. If you look at the weekly structure also, this is looking really good. On daily also, this is good. So Dr. Reddy's is on the go stock. There's some consolidation which needs to be done here, but apart from that, this is top notch. So looking really good. So as I'm bullish on pharma sector, Dr. Reddy's is also on my watch. 361 WAM. This is showing same similar kind of structure if you compare to Dr. Reddy's and 361 WAM. Both are similar. Needs a basing here, and even this is good to go. Bank of India, the next structure, which is also trading on this previous high, near to previous high. If I'll just mention one thing. PSU banks are also setting up really good. If you compare all the PSU banks, not private banks, PSU banks, public sector banks, if you compare the price action of all those PSU banks, you'll see some, sorry, if you see, you'll see some constructive price action there also. So Bank of India is also one of them, and it looks really good. Care ratings. This is one interesting, very good stock. Very good into their business model is also very good. They are into advisory and a rating company, which you probably see, and this is really good. If you see on this there is some constructive price action here, and there is some constructive price action here also. If you see, there is a huge rally here. There is huge rally here with some very good volumes, and now this is again set up to move to the upside. But yeah, the market should also support this. So we'll see how the market behaves, and K ratings is also on my watch. Next up is Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. Glenmark Pharma, as I said, pharma. I'm very much bullish on pharma companies. I'm very much bullish on pharma sector. So, and this is the one which I'm looking at. The base is completely done. So all we need a good opening or good start on Monday, which is tomorrow. So if that looks good, then this is a very good entry which you can find. So Glenmark is on my top watch. Next up is Motherson Sumi. Motherson, we had an entry here. I missed this entry. I had an entry here, but since I missed this, now this is this is this is a place where I actually need to be pyramiding the stock. But since I have not taken any entry here, I might go with 0.5 hour and try this momentum play. Try this a momentum play in this Motherson. So this looks good. This looks good for me. This looks good for me. Yeah. So these are the stocks, guys. These are the stocks which I'm watching out. And yeah, please. So if you find this video good, informational, anything related, please drop in the comment section, and I'll be looking out for your comments. And yeah, thank you. And we'll see you on the next week, next video.